What's up internet, this is Shrikant once again. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to replace a keyboard in any laptop, but especially for Dell laptops. And as you can see, I've already unwrapped the seal. This is a pretty hefty packing, so I don't want to waste your time, so I've already broken the seal. Okay, this is a dirty package that this keyboard comes in. By the way, I got this from eBay. You can see eBay. And let me open this thing up. So nothing inside. I mean, well, apart from this keyboard, there's nothing inside. This looks pretty good for me. Quality wise, this looks pretty good. And okay, I'm gonna be showing you the laptop that I'm gonna place this keyboard in. Okay. Alright, so this is my Dell Yan 5110. Okay, this is the keyboard. These are the keys that those are not working. You can see this caps lock, this enter here, and this plus symbol. These keys come right off this keyboard. If I do so, it will come off like this. So they're not working. They did pretty good for a couple of years now. So they're doing. Apart from these keys, everything works pretty good. When I press this, alright, so maybe you can see it's working there. Alright. Okay, so the first thing while replacing a keyboard with a new keyboard is to shut down your device. Yeah, that's the first thing you can do. So I'm gonna go to my start button here and shut down the device completely. And you're gonna have to make sure that your laptop is not plugged in. So I'm gonna have to wait until this keyboard until this laptop shuts down completely. There you go, that's done. So now what I'm gonna do is slowly, if you can zoom in, here. These are the buttons. These are the buttons that you're gonna have to concentrate on. So first, what I'm gonna do is, if you have nails like me, as you can see, these are pretty big. I did not do these stuff in a while, so I don't recommend it, doing with hands. But if you have nails like this, and if you're like, some kind of knowledge in hardware, you can do this. So you're gonna have to just press it once, and with the other hand and with the other nail, just have to pull this out. Okay, like so. It's coming right off. You can feel it. And just keep on doing it. Just press this button too. Oh, I lost it. Okay, if you've done this, just slide it upwards like so, and it comes right off the keyboard dock. And then just slowly flip it over, and this is where you're gonna have to concentrate on while removing it. So what you're gonna do is, if you see this black strip or some flap, you're gonna have to just go here and just pull it outwards like so. As you can see, this is kind of flap, and pull this wire right off its slot. That's it. You have just open this stuff from its dock and keep it aside, and with the new one do the same, like vice versa, and make sure that these stripes facing upwards, and this thing I'm gonna have to keep that thing to the bottom, keep this thing in its place, and just have to push it forward like so, and you know it when this thing slides in, and okay, I did not do that well, so I'm gonna do it once again. Just push it, and there you have it. Now what I'm gonna do is just close this flap like so, and now do the vice versa. If you see these kind of whatever, just dock them in the position like this and push them like so, and okay, they're positioned, and then you're gonna have to push it downwards until you feel that they're all quite in place. Okay, I think they're pretty good. Okay, that's it. They're pretty good. Now I'm gonna test it, whether it's working or not. I'm gonna boot my device. By the way, I don't recommend any laptop users placing their laptops on the beds like so. It means your laptop will have these fans and vents all over here, and when you keep like this, that will choke up the processor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this as a support, place my laptop on that. So now if it's working or not, let me test it. Well, it's working. I'm going to set password here. Yeah, it's working pretty good. And they're also given me this cover here, so that the dust won't go inside, so that's pretty good. And okay, that's it. That is how you replace a laptop's keyboard. And thanks for watching, and please like if you like this video. Thanks.